afford to go to jail, please.
You're going to jail regardless. Why? Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Pretty good.
So you're Corbin Rayleigh?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Rayleigh, you were here just last week or the week before.
Yes, ma'am.
And you pled guilty to an offense and you were told to go to the probation department and do a pre-sentence report.
Yes, ma'am.
And I've gotten a memo from them that has some unfortunate information in here about how you acted while you were there and visiting with them.
Yes, ma'am. I was over the phone when the lady was arguing and stuff. I just wanted the information on when I was supposed to meet the dude. That was it. And
That's not how this reads.
they
They were so frustrated with you that they said they will not do a pre-sentence report while you're on bond. So do you know what that means?
my bond had to be paid off.
No, that means I'm going to revoke your bond
Okay.
and you're going to go to jail.
Okay.
And then they're going to come to the jail and do the pre-sentence report. And you're going to be respectful to them. Or I don't have to go along with this plea agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
So listen, it's time to get a whole different attitude about all of this. I understand. I remember now when you were here, you don't like the whole situation.
No,
Hang on, don't overtalk me because that's going to show me what you're doing to them. Okay. Now it's just the time to listen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And just do what you're told. There's not an excuse for what you did. That's not, you didn't just try to ask for some information. Okay. They wouldn't have sent this. They're very, very patient.
I just want to let you know I got a whole different view about it on the whole situation now too. I just got to meet my son for the first time on Friday. So
Well, this is very unfortunate.
Yeah.
So you'll, but here's the thing. There's no reason for you to still not get this probation, but I don't have a choice now but to get this pre-sentence report done. So I'm going to, hang on, I'm going to revoke your bond in your case at this time. You're going to go with the bailiff. Probation's going to come to the jail. They're going to do this pre-sentence report, probably not today.
do I get to move on today?
I'm not giving you a bond because you couldn't act right while you were on bond, which shows me that you see where I'm.
Yeah,
the
can
problem-
we just like revoke the deal and take it to trial? I can't afford to go to jail, please.
You're going to jail regardless. Why?
Yes,
Because, do you want me to read the memo?
the whole thing. Yeah, can we play the voice recordings of the phone call in here today too, if that's the case? Because if you're just gonna believe what she says, then I believe I have the right to fight on behalf of what I have to say, and we need to be able to play those phone records.
You're going to go do that. You're going to go do that pre-sentence report,
phone records today.
and you're going to go and hopefully be respectful and hopefully get this probation and not ruin your life over this. This is
what's
very-
the longest you think I'll be in
It's
there?
a very temporary situation. Mr. Rojas can come back and talk to you. I'm revoking your bond at this time. I find it's in the best interest until sentencing that there not be a bond. You can go back with the bailiff. Was he? Well, I don't know. Maybe, I mean, if he, maybe I have him just sit for a little bit. Let's just see.
Judge,
Mm-hmm.
since we have him here, well, let's go ahead and test him.
That's a great idea. Let's do that as well.
The problem, I know what they did get out of the PSI from what they could barely read was some marijuana and fentanyl use. So maybe, I don't know, it just seems.
That's a great, yeah. Thank you, Mr. Nichols.
Yes, sir.
We'll do that as well. And he's already here, so let's get that done.
This time I put it on top of my bag.
Uh-oh.
I'm rushing up here.
Come on up, sir. You're DeAndre Smith?
Yes.
Mr. Smith, next time you come, please don't wear joggers or sweatpants.
Yes.
It's not appropriate for a felony court. Okay. And Mr. Smith is charged with collision involving death. And Mr. Frank, looks like you were just hired recently, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. I was going to get with him, make sure he has access to all discovery and everything.
Okay.
I think he's been in the portal system before.
Okay.
Make sure he's got everything he needs. We also discussed the case, and I think we're ready with the resolution.
All right. So what I'll do is just a normal reset, about 30 days or so, to give you some time to get all of that, see if you can get up to speed. Mr. Smith, make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Frank so y'all can go over the discovery that he receives, and we'll see what the announcement is at the next court date.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very
Y'all are
much.
free to go. So we see Mr. Gilmore. See, this is Sharam Omid, 24 DCCR 1684. Come on up, Mr. Omid. Good morning, Mr. Simmons.
Good morning, Your Honor. Your Honor, briefly.
Mr. Simmons, if you'll step on this side. And then Mr. Omid, come right up to the, and sir, you are Sharam Omid? And Mr. Omid's charged with solicitation of prostitution. Mr. Simmons, what is the announcement?
Yeah, right now we're talking to the pretrial intervention department, Sarah Brewster, trying to get them into their program. We have not submitted the package yet, but we are on our way to submit the package. He's a Canadian citizen, so I'm just
Speak up, I'm sorry.
He's a Canadian citizen, you know, as far as he's from Canada. So I'm just trying to do everything I can do in first for the outcome of this case.
Okay.
They said it only requires, I think about 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks for them to make a determination.
So I'm going to reset it. It looks like you've been on the case, Mr. Simmons, since back in September of last year. So this will be the final reset.
Okay.
You need to get that turned in immediately so that if it takes them a couple of weeks, you'll have an answer before that next court date. And at the next court date, if he's been accepted, great. If not, we'll need to move forward one way or the other on this case.
Sounds great.
Okay?
Thank you.
All right. We'll see you at the next court date.
I'll send you. Okay.
If you'll make sure to put that notation. All right, if I call your name, please come forward. David Holland. Good morning, sir. You're David Holland. And did you get someone hired?
Yes, ma'am. I don't know where it is.
Okay, who'd you hire?
Mr. Booker.
Okay, and he's supposed to be here this morning? Just have a seat in the courtroom till he gets here. Good morning, sir. Are you Cafetta Jones?
Notice how the courtroom shifts gears from one case to the next without missing a beat. Every defendant gets a different set of questions based on their charges and where their case stands. And now the judge asks a question that catches a lot of people off guard. If I test you this morning, are you going to have anything in your system? That's not just casual conversation. It can have a direct impact on bond conditions and how the court views your compliance.
And give me just a second. Mr. Jones, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 0293. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of theft of a firearm from January 18th of 2025. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
I've been to talk.
Speak up, please.
I've been to talk with lawyers.
Stand up. Who have you talked to?
Benjamin Jeffrey.
Okay. And so do you think you're going to be able to get him hired?
Yes.
Okay. If I test you this morning, you can have anything in your system? Okay. Have a seat in the jury box. I'm going to have you tested. Good morning, ma'am. You're Ashley Renfro.
I've been trying to, I don't know if they got a hold of you and let you know that I was trying to explain to them that I was disabled.
Talking to who?
Talked to 3 different lawyers, like you told me to.
Yes, ma'am. Who do you think, who was trying to get in touch with me?
Miss Holmes, because you recommend Miss Holmes, but Miss Holmes said she didn't use disabled clients.
Okay. So are you on disability? I don't
Yes,
understand.
ma'am.
Okay.
I didn't know I was supposed to bring it. I apologize. That's why I was so confused last time. I apologize.
Okay. So,
I took it to the district clerk. Yes.
All right. So you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer, Ms. Renfro. If you will just have a seat right over here in this. Are you ready? Just step in front of the clerk here. She's going to give you the information on who your attorney's going to be. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today's docket is a reminder that no 2 court appearances are exactly alike. One defendant lost his freedom because the court believed he violated the conditions of his release, while others were focused on hiring lawyers, qualifying for appointed counsel, or preparing for the next stage of their cases. Court isn't just about the charges, it's also about how people conduct themselves throughout the process.